In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone in Luminar Neo. Cloning is a powerful way to clean up distractions, remove blemishes, or seamlessly fill in small gaps by copying pixels from one area of your photo to another. We'll keep it simple, clear, and precise so you can follow along and get great results right away. Start by opening Luminar Neo and bringing your photo into the workspace. Once it's loaded, switch to the editing view by clicking Edit or simply press the E key. This puts all the essential tools at your fingertips and gets you ready to work non-destructively on your image. Next, open the Clone tool. You'll find it under Professional Tools, then choose Clone. If you prefer shortcuts, use Ctrl+J on Windows or Command+J on Mac to jump straight in. When the tool opens, you'll see options to control the brush and the strength of the effect, which are key to making your edits look natural. Before you paint, you need to choose the source area, the clean spot you want to copy from. Hold the Alt key on Windows or the Option key on Mac, then click on a clean, similar-looking area in your photo. Choose a source that matches the texture, color, and lighting of the area you're about to fix. For example, if you're removing a small object from grass, sample grass right next to it rather than from a distant, differently lit patch. That simple choice makes the blend much more convincing. Now, fine-tune your brush. Radius controls the brush size, so increase it for broader areas and reduce it for detailed edges. Softness adjusts how smooth the edges of your brush are. Higher softness helps blend transitions without visible seams, while lower softness gives you crisper edges when you need precision. Opacity controls the strength of the clone effect. A lower opacity lets you build up the fix gradually and is great for subtle retouching on skin or clouds. Higher opacity works well when you need solid coverage. With your source set and brush dialed in, paint over the area you want to clean up using steady, short strokes. If you notice repetition patterns, resample by holding Alt or Option and clicking a new source area close by. Zoom in for accuracy on tight details, and zoom out periodically to confirm everything blends naturally. If something doesn't look right, undo and adjust your brush size, softness, or opacity until it does. That's it. Open your photo, access the Clone tool, select a good source, and refine with the radius, softness, and opacity sliders for seamless results.